The following leak location conductive installation guidelines are to be used in addition to the procedures outlined in the GSE Geomembrane Installation Quality Assurance Manual. Additionally, make sure to follow local safety guidelines and directions per the engineer of record. Once you have confirmed which side is conductive, the liner can be installed following the panel placement section of the GSE Geomembrane Installation Quality Assurance Manual. If you're unsure which side is conductive, watch the preparation and materials video for a step-by-step guide. An electrical connection must be made between all individual panels that are installed at the site. To connect all panels into one electrical grid, place a 3-foot by 3-foot piece of material under the seam per the leak location conductive installation guide. Ensure this material is placed with the conductive side up. This is the only time the conductive side will face up. To confirm that panels are connected, use a multimeter. Ensure the multimeter is set to the resistance setting, with auto ranging turned on, and place one metal probe on each panel. If you receive a reading, the panels are successfully connected.